So we got this beautiful 2013, that's a Ford Explorer. It came up with good references from other clients. And this customer, they want an engine swap on this one. That's what we did. This car came in with almost close to 300 clicks, and we replaced the source engine from Wreckers, which is almost 100 clicks, close to 100 clicks, which is a healthier engine and gives this truck a more life for another 4 or 5 years. If you guys do have trucks like this is a clean truck with absolutely no rust. Usually not going to see the things in Ontario without rust. So this customer maintained really good. It's all underneath. It's a coated for weather guard for the snow weather and other weathers. So now we already put the new engine. Let me show you how it fired up. All right, so it's real smooth. The other thing we did on this engine is, before any of the engines which are with the timing chains or the belts, whenever we replace them, we always advise customer, we did on our end on a lot of times, we do the new chain. So this engine comes with the new chain. We put the brand new chain, guide and everything. To make sure this engine runs like a brand new engine. So any of your work done by us, if it's a replace of engine, we try to do the timing belt or timing chain before we're going to hand over the truck to customer. So they knows it's a peace of mind now, like the chain and everything is new on this one. Though these are the common ones to failure on this 3.5 liter engine. It's a non-turbo oil cooler base engine. So if you guys do have the similar things and you want to make a swap or rebuild, book an appointment. On to the next car. We got this beautiful 2016. It's a 528, and that's a referral client from one of our good customer from almost a year. So this is N20, and this car came in for a different reason. It came in for a CVXL, and the customer got the expensive quote from another shop. So they just decided to shop around. They got a nice quote from us, and they decided to do that. We already fixed the CVXL, and also we make a complete inspection, as the customer already told us he wanted a complete inspection, all 36 points. And what we figured out, the wall cover on this thing is leaking insanely bad. So the oil is dripping down on the exhaust, which makes the customer smell oil while he was turning on the internal fan. So this thing need to get replaced. We already gonna advise the customer that he's looking for a new wall cover with a gasket, because this thing is not successful if you just want to change the gasket. Any of the N20, N52, N54s, they have to change the whole complete wall cover with gasket. That's what we're gonna do on this car. And after that, this car also needed timing chain, because the existing chain have a little bit play, which is a bit much, because it's going to throw timing codes possibly end of this year. Because every N20 motor, they are good for less than 200 clicks. So it's almost 150 on this one. So it's somewhere near to that thing. That's a regular maintenance. If you have N20, expected from 150 to 200. Same price like a timing belt. So it's a timing chain engine. That's what we're going to advise our customers. So if you guys do have any of the BMWs, 5 Series, 3 Series, 2 Series, X3, X1 with the N20 motor, feel free to inquire with us, book your appointment. We'll give you a free inspection with every oil change or any of the fluid services. So I'll give you an exact quote what your motor needs. Everything comes with the 1 year warranty. It is up, book your appointment, on the next car. All right, guys, so we are in the starting of the video. We got two of the Range Rovers. First one is 2012, that's a 5 liter supercharged. And the second one is 2016, that's a 3 liter diesel engine TD6. So that's the rare truck in Canada. And this one is here with a 260 clicks. The reason it's here is a bad shaking. It's a multiple misfires on the three cylinders. And when we check it out, the chain was so loose. It's a chain built engine. And the most common problem in 5-liter V8 superchargers are the tensioners. They go real quick, and this is the right kilometer. So if you guys do have any of the Range Rovers from 2010 to 2013, and you have this body shape, and you cross 200 clicks, be ready for the expense. It's going to be a couple of grands, but it's still cheaper to buy a brand new one than repair this one. So that's what this customer chose to, and we are going to make a rebuild on this one. After that, we're going to do the TD6, the diesel 2016. That one we're going to show in the next clip, and that's a diesel engine too. And that truck have a problem with the transmission due to a lack of maintenance on transmission fluid. Transmission is gone, and now they're looking for a couple of grands to put it back because the diesel things, people don't want to leave it. It's with a good mileage if you have a diesel engine, especially on Range Rovers. So if you guys do want any of the repairs on your V8 Superchargers, any rebuilds on those ones, you can give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. All right, guys, so I'm just holding my mechanic. Right now, we have this beautiful 2000 Honda Civic. This is an exclusively nice car. I can see this car this much clean, no rocker panel rust, no rust at all, and that's a local driven car. The customer who prepared the car for every season, doing it, rust proofing everything on time, that's the car stay for longer. So this is 2000, almost 26 years old. This car is here for wobbling from the front while the customer is driving. So when we check it out, there was one of the tire, this side is belt shifted, which results one of the ball joint play and the tire end. So we already replaced both of the parts. It's just we're waiting for the new tires for the both side. Customer have the tires they're bringing up. So we're going to put the front new tires, and customer going to pick it up by noon this time. And that's up for this car. On to the next car. So finally, we got this DM with this 2016 X1. That's a B46 motor, and the DME on this one was fried. And after almost 3 weeks of searching throughout the North America, we got one of the same batch. So this is the older one, and right now we put the newer one, and everything is packed up. We already make a test drive, and this thing runs so smooth now. So if your car do any of the misbehaving while you drive it, try to call us, give us a call. We'll check it out. Most of the B46 motors in X1 or X3s, they got this thing common problem with the DMEs, and we're happy to help you out. Is this thing only take a couple of weeks? You need little patience, because if you want to buy this brand new from BMW, $4,000 plus tax. So this customer was patiently waiting for almost 3 weeks. Finally, he got almost half of the price, paying like next to nothing if you compare with the dealership, because they put the labor on top of a lot of things. That's where the customer saves. So if you have similar issues in your car, you can give us a call, book your appointment. On to the next car. So we got this beautiful 2021 Nissan Sentra. It came up with, again, another poor diagnostic. And when we check it out, this car came in a limp mode. So it's not going more than 60 kilometers. And also this is shaking real bad. And this car have only less than 100 clicks on it. And when we check it out, it was a related to air mass flow sensor, which is pretty common on newer Sentras. So we are already ordering this part, trying to order from dealership. It's like 4 days away. So this one is going to be another aftermarket part, which is coming tomorrow. And that's a testing part. We already test one part, doesn't work on this one because it's a newer car. Second one is coming tomorrow morning. If that's not going to work, then the customer have to wait for 4 days. It is what it is. When you don't get the parts on time due to the weather conditions, every delivery on the parts are delayed for a couple of days. That's what we told this customer, and they're going to rent out the car just for time being because they're working on the car. So if you guys do have any of the similar issues, be prepared to get wait because the weather here is not good and every delivery is delayed on this one. So that's it for now. We are going to give you another update on the next video. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe, press the bell icon. Thank you so much.